Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial for you. I wanted to use some organic and vegan makeup today. Predominantly I am using some new products that I just got from Inika. Inika is a certified organic makeup range. Most, if not all, of their products are vegan. They're obviously cruelty free. I actually just did a first impression on the BB cream, which is what I already have on my face now. So some of my base is already done, but I have lots of cool new products that I want to try. So this is kind of an Inika first impression video, but it's going to have some other bits and pieces as well. So it's kind of anything goes. I don't even know how I'm going to title this video, but I am going to jump straight into it now. So I've already applied the Inika Certified Organic BB Cream in the color Beige, and I've applied a couple of layers of that using a sponge, and I like that it gives, you know, a natural finish, but it has evened everything out and the color suits me perfectly. So I'm going to move on to the concealer. This is in the color Medium. I think they only have 3 colors in their concealer range. This is a liquid, and again it's certified organic. So I'm going to go in with a brush and just put that under my eyes and wherever else I need it. This is a really good color match for the BB cream. So I'm probably just going to put this under my eyes, blend it out. Nothing fancy going on here. I haven't used this in such a long time, this concealer. I've only used it a couple of times. It's super silky and hydrating. It's nice and light. I do have a big thing that grew under my chin during the week. I'll just be putting some on there. But otherwise, the BB cream, can I speak? The BB cream has done a really good job at just evening everything out. Whoa, it goes a long way. I think I've squeezed too much out of the concealer. Might just do a triangle just to try and use some of it up. This blends out really nicely. The Beauty Blender. Now I don't actually have an Inika powder or setting powder. So I'm going to use some Mav products throughout the tutorial just because Mav is also organic and I think all of their products are vegan as well. So this is the Mattifying Powder. This has a slight sort of yellow tone to it, kind of like a banana powder. I'm not going to use a lot, just enough to set everything and take that shine away. So nothing, you know, interesting going on here. Oh my god, I've used way too much. Whoa. Holy crap. Okay. So I'm just setting under the eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit. Oh, it looks good on camera. It is a bit too much in person, but I'm just going to let that sit and then, you know, dust it off. And just getting into my T-zone. This powder is really good. I never use it. I don't know why. I just don't think to use this one. This is why I like trying different products again, because I get into my comfort zone and then that's it. I'm going weeks using the same products and being boring as hell. Okay, I think next I'm going to go in with my brows. I have not used a brow pencil in such a long time. I've been using the Eco Brow Pomade for years. So this will be good. It'll be interesting and different and it'll make me try something new. So this is the Dark Brunette. Has a spoolie on the end. So I'll just zoom you guys in. So I'm just going to brush my brows through. Okay, so just doing a light fill-in for any gaps. This is a really good color because I did test out the Brunette, but it was really warm, and I think sometimes if you go too warm, it makes your brows look orange. Filling in the gaps. I like to build my arch up on this brow This brow is an underachiever. This one is great. I could honestly get away with not doing anything on this one. But this one is a real pain in my ass. And then I can just brush it all through. Moving right along onto my eyes, I have the Mav Organic and Vegan eyeshadows here. I absolutely love these eyeshadows so much. The only problem is they are loose mineral powders, which can be quite messy. If I'm in a hurry, I just cannot be bothered, so I always reach for my palettes, or I'm even lazier sometimes and I just use my bronzer for my eyes, or I just don't do anything at all. So there's some beautiful colors here and they make a great team, I guess you could say. So you've got this champagne color here, which is a light, it's not too shimmery, it's fairly neutral, it makes a really good eyeshadow base. Then you have this, it's almost like a grey purple, but it's really shimmery. And there's a black, which is fairly matte, but my pick would have to be this one in Cognac. This is a bronze. Surprise, surprise. Always going for the bronzes. So I can't be bothered doing like, you know, 4 different eyeshadows today. I don't really have time. I have to leave the house soon. So I'm just going to put this, oh my god, I'm spilling it everywhere. I'm going to put this all over my lid and just blend it out. Oh wow. Oh my god, can you guys see that? This is insane how pigmented this is. I forgot how beautiful these shadows were. Oh crap, I'm gonna make a mess. I really hope that you can appreciate that on camera as much as I am in person, because that is intense. And I don't really want to be doing anything, you know, out here or whatever. I'm keeping it really simple and just on the lid. I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lash line just to tie it all together. So I just ran out of memory, sorry, but I have just used a little flat brush to put some of that eyeshadow under on my lower lash line. And I have to say I'm so impressed with this eyeshadow. I haven't used it in such a long time, but even though it's quite a, you know, messy looking mineral powder, when you put it on, it kind of sets, so you can blend it out, but it doesn't just fall everywhere. So it's quite good considering how messy I originally thought it was going to be. So this is the Inika Long Lash Mascara in black, and I have heard some really good things about this, so I'm looking forward to it. It's quite a compact brush. The bristles are quite tight. Let's see how we like it. You know, I love me a good mascara. It's definitely lengthening, and that will be because of those tightly packed bristles. They're kind of brushing my eyelashes. I don't have an Inika blush or bronzer, so I'm taking the Mav Sunkissed Bronzer. And again, this is a loose powder, so I have to be very careful as to how much I use. Okay, for highlighter, I'm pretty excited. I have the Inika Baked Mineral Illuminizer in Dewdrop. Whoa, this is so beautiful. Pretty expensive. I think it was up around the $50 mark, but when you consider the size of it, that's going to last me a long time. Well, maybe not for me. You all know I love a highlighter. So let's go in. And I might just put just a little bit above my brow arch. What is there left to do? Lips. Okay, I gotta do lips. I don't know if this is going to be a little bit too crazy, but I do have the Inika Lip Liner in Nude Delight. This is, it just looks like a nude pencil, but when you put it on, it's quite, has like a metallic tint to it. So I hope I don't end up just looking like a big disco ball with all my gold and my bling and my highlight. Oh, it's very silky. I kind of slipped off there. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to go in with the Eye of Horus Bio Goddess lipstick. I think these are vegan as well. This is in the colour Nude. So I think this is it. I think I have now completed the makeup look. I've sort of just made this up as I've gone along. My bed has got crap all over it. I didn't really do anything new there when it comes to the actual makeup look, but I really enjoyed using some of those products, and I don't really wear lipstick much these days because I have my Invisalign in, and particularly bright colours tend to get on those suckers, so I avoid that. But I love a nude lip, I love a gold eye, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you have any requests, questions about any of the products that I've used today. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and for your ongoing support, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!